Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new customer in Stripe. So let's get started. First thing, you'll find yourself at the Stripe homepage. What you want to do is you want to navigate to this fourth tab right here, which says customers. Click on it. And then on the right hand side, you are going to see this button, which says add customer. So press this button. And here you're going to have three things that you need to fill out. First, you're going to fill out the customer name. Then you are going to fill out their email address. And lastly, you can give them a description. So I'm just going to say that this is the best customer ever. And then once you've added the description, all that is left for you to do is just simply click this add customer button. And this is how you add a new customer to your Stripe account. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.